Hello and welcome to another episode of me opening up some Lego. So we have Lego minifigure series 27 and it's a mystery. I didn't have any app on the go when I bought these, so let's see what I get. So I've just cut the side of it so we can pour it out. Oh, oh great. I actually wanted this one. It's the, is it the Boogeyman? I'll have to quickly build that. Oh, here he is. Here he is, and with his book. Boo. With his scary book and his horns. And that's a really cool minifigure. It's a bit, oops, it's a bit mad. I wasn't expecting to add a character like this in the Loft City, but I guess kind of goes quite well because it can get spooky up here, I have to say. So we'll add him in. Maybe he can be somewhere near Central Perk. There he is. He's just in that little bit of a corridor type thing next to Central Perk and the little burger place. They're going to get a bit of a fright when they walk past there. So it looks pretty good. Now, I managed to buy another one of these. So let's open it. Pour it out and see what one it is. Kind of want the guy dressed as a gerbil or a hamster. I mean, looks like a hamster. Oh no! I've got another one of these. Oh, another Boogeyman. Oh, Is this the kind of city that would have two of these? Well, it is the Loft City, and it does get spooky up here. So maybe I can have two. Maybe I'll put one way over there in the country. Well, we will for now, and then we can think about it later. So let's put the second Boogeyman in. I'm going to have him down here, reading behind this tree. There we go. That looks pretty good, actually. I'm going to put some bigger trees in this area, so you will get a bit more hidden than that. It'd be quite good, actually, in a forest, hidden away. Scary. But anyway, can't believe I've got two the same. Oh well, never mind. It works in the Loft City. It's a bit spooky up here. Well, that was a bit of a shock getting two Boogeymen, but kind of works for this city. Would have been good if I got two of those warrior type blokes with the dogs, but never mind. Anyway, thanks very much for watching this one, and I'll see you at another one. Bye for now.